How to make money prompting using ChatGPT. Discover the secret to earning money. Turn simple prompts into profits with ChatGPT. In today's fast-paced digital world, ChatGPT offers endless opportunities to make money by simply mastering the art of prompting. Whether you are looking to create compelling content, automate tasks, or enhance business workflows, well-crafted prompts are the key to unlocking the full potential of this EA tool. By learning how to effectively communicate with ChatGPT, you can offer valuable services like generating marketing copy, answering customer queries, or even writing code. So first of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into chatgpt.com. And first of all, the first steps, I will use ChatGPT to get ourselves some prompts. So you can just give me some prompts that I copy and paste on Runway email to generate a batch of some images. Give some good prompts for images if I am going to be using the images as t-shirts design. Don't worry, we are not going to be designing any t-shirts. I will show you. So of course, ChatGPT is going to provide us with these prompts that we can use as soon as it gives like this information to us. So here are some creative prompts for generating t-shirt designing. So we have here natural, scene, abstract, geometric shapes, vintage, retrowave, space exploration, tribal and cultural fusion, and animal kingdom mashup, floral and skull fusion, and other things. So you can just copy the one you want and then paste it on Runway. But firstly, let me introduce you to another one which is called Leonardo. I will tell you why I use this one. Leonardo is a free tool, anybody can use it. You can just create yourself an account like this. So you click over get started and you write your email address and your password, then you get started with Leonardo. And then you can start creating these images from the prompt. So as you can see, this is the home page. We have here various things. So you click over image creation here. And as you can see, we have here various things about those things. So let's delete this one and let's come back to ChatGPT and copy some of these ones. Like for example, let's copy this one. And paste it on here on Runway. And then here we choose prompt enhance, auto or on, off. Also we have here preset. Then we have here you choose preset style also. So let's choose the first one. Then you choose here contrast, low, medium, high. Then we have here generation mode, image dimensions also. Then we have here, so let's choose this one. And then you choose here medium or small or large also, and number of images. Here we have the max one, it's 8. Then you can also switch on this one, private mode, then other things. Then you click over generate here, and this is how it looks. So you have got these credits, alright, but they will regenerate because it's always going to be free. As you can see here, I have got 134 here of these credits, and they will generate every 24 hours. You get a round of this each 24 hours, so you can just use them. So here is my thing, here is my graffiti, and you can see it looks really nice. Now as you can see the words right, let me tell you right off the bat, any kind of image generation tool, it's bad with words, alright. Don't try to write something on the screen with EA image generators, right? Just don't be like this. I can see this as a t-shirt design. Let me this one as well. I will just change the existing prompt. Click on generate on one more, and we are going to get a result something like this now. All of this can be t-shirts designs. Why am I telling you all of this? Well, the reason is simple. I found numerous shops on Etsy. They have over than 25,000 sales, as you can see, and all they do is to sell these designs for t-shirts, for mugs, for air fresheners, for bookmarks, and you can see the price. So if the average is $1, let's say, and they made over than 25,000 sales, you can do the math. That's over than $25,000 for doing this. So right now let's move into Runway. So this is the home page here, and also we have here various information about how you can get started and other things. You can just write your email and your password and you get started with Runway. So what these people do, they just take these designs and they just put them out there, and they just get these pictures, and they just roll over those to t-shirts, to mug, to cap, whatever they want, and they make a profit on it. So they just want to save themselves some time, and that's where we come and we make this with ChatGPT on Leonard or Runway now. So what Runway? So Runway is very helpful to make you 1,000 off this path. The downside of it that you got to pay for it. As you can see, if I click on get started, and then I create my self account, I can go here text to image. So as you can see, there is an option here which is called batch, and if I click on batch, it says right here, I don't know if you can see it, but it says right here, let me just scroll down, and one-time payment will be required, right? So it's a paid tool. So that's the bad side and Runway. So it's a paid tool, but it will save you time. Maybe you can just use this one whenever you get some cash for investing. And if you click here on get credits, you can see what 100 is going to cost go you $10. So to make money using ChatGPT, draw prompt starts by understanding the types of prompts that work best for different tasks such as content creation, customer support, or automation. Practice designing clear, specific prompts that guide ChatGPT to produce high-quality results. Once you master this, you can offer your services to businesses, set prompts, packages, or use the prompts yourself to generate content more efficiently. Testing and refining your prompts is key to ensuring consistent, reliable output. Always adapts to the needs of the client or project for maximum effectiveness. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.